Welcome to this video on Pisces Ascendant, also known as Meena Lagna in Vedic astrology. They are dreamers, often lost in their thoughts and imaginations. Ruled by Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, and influenced by Venus, the planet of beauty, they possess a unique balance of knowledge and charm. Individuals often appear serene and otherworldly, as though they are navigating their own internal universe. This dreamy nature makes them deeply spiritual and creative, often connecting music, art, or dance with their spiritual pursuits. They find joy in expressing their emotions through artistic mediums, much like the legendary poet saints of the past. In their professional lives, they frequently thrive in careers related to travel, banking, or finance. Their adaptability and intuitive nature allow them to excel in roles that involve movement or dynamic changes. They are also naturally inclined towards jobs that let them explore their spiritual or creative side. A unique trait of they is their connection with property and wealth. Many Pisces individuals are owners of multiple homes. This reflects their tendency to seek comfort and stability in their surroundings, even as their minds wander to new horizons. In relationships, they often have practical and budget-conscious partners. Their spouses may appear frugal, carefully managing finances and ensuring security. While this dynamic may sometimes seem restricting, it complements the Pisces individual's dreamy and carefree nature. Family plays a significant role in their lives. Their fathers are often deeply religious and instill a sense of spiritual values in them from an early age. This influence adds to their natural inclination toward faith and philosophy. In summary, they are spiritual, creative, and dreamy individuals with a unique blend of wisdom and charm. Their imaginative approach to life, paired with their connection to stability and spirituality, makes them truly exceptional. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other ascendants.